Hey guys. Hey, have you ever wondered why you are studying maths and science? Have you ever thought, why am I learning about fractions, about molecules, atoms, or Pythagorean theorem? Have you ever wanted to be an astronaut, maybe, or a forensic scientist? Or how about an ecologist or an engineer? Have you ever dreamed of discovering new diseases? Or how about creating a brave new world for you and your friends? Or what about discovering some of the secrets of the world? You know, anything is possible when you study maths and science. You know, I loved maths and science at school, and I never thought I'd end up using all that stuff, but it's actually helped me heaps and heaps. You see, right now I'm studying at Curtin University to be a computer engineer, and I can't believe how much I'm using from my school days. When I leave university, I know that I'm really well set up, thanks to Mr. Jerome, my physics teacher from Como Secondary College, and also Mrs. Vorstenbosch, my primary school teacher, for helping me make maths exciting and fun. You see, maths doesn't have to be boring. We use it every day. We use fractions to serve up cake. We calculate the cost of stuff we buy and the change we get. I even use maths to work out how much break time I can take from study to be out with my friends. Mrs. Vorstenbosch from South Perth Primary School made maths fun for me, so I was really good at it. When I went to Como Secondary College, I got into the EMITS program. Now, I don't know if you know what EMITS is, but it stands for the Enriched Mathematics, Information Technology and Science Program. Now, EMITS isn't for everyone. You really have to work hard at maths and science and apply to get in the program. But once you are there, oh man, it's really worth it. It gave me a really solid understanding of maths, IT and science. I got accelerated learning and the teachers were great. They really knew what they were talking about. The teachers specially designed the classes to make it really interesting and challenging. I learnt heaps, and the teachers really researched the topics and gave us the most current info around. As well as great teachers, the resources were awesome. We had priority use of the mobile computer labs and access to the IT labs too. I reckon I was really lucky to have the EMITS program background. It's making uni so much easier to understand. As an EMITS student, we also got to go on heaps of excursions. We used to go to Curtin Uni a lot too, and use their equipment, meet the lecturers, and use the facilities. We also got the opportunity to go into competitions for mathematics, engineering, computing, science, and information technology. Some of my old classmates got to present projects at international student fairs, as well as state and interstate robotics competitions. A lot of them won awards and accolades in national competitions too. The EMITS program, with pretty inspiring teachers and special access to resources, helped me to get the score I needed to get into my course at Curtin Uni. Life at Curtin Uni is really neat. It's pretty cool studying here. We've got current industry standard facilities, lots of open space, the lecturers are awesome and really helpful. The people I study with are also great. We help each other out, we work in teams, and we're all doing really well. We do such wicked stuff at Curtin Uni. Curtin also has a lot of connections with industry, so prospects for my future are pretty good here and overseas. I met some ex-students from Curtin recently. Man, they are doing so well.
How you going? My name's Anthony O'Brien and I'm a research scientist. My love of science actually began back in primary school when I got my very first electronics kit. Since then I went to high school and I had this really awesome science teacher. And he showed me how science can help you actually make things and even blow some things up. I then went to Curtin Uni and I got a science degree in physics. And that's allowed me to travel all around the world. I've been to places like South America, to Hawaii, and I've got to work on some of the biggest and the coolest telescopes in the world. Since then I moved back to Perth, and now I've got my own business that allows me to work on all sorts of things sciencey. So I can work on electronics and lasers and really cool things like that.
Hi, my name is Bhavesh Haria. I loved playing with numbers when I was at high school, which led me to this great course at Curtin University studying actuarial studies. I got this awesome job working as a financial analyst at Wesfarmers. And do you know what? I still play with numbers every day.
Hi, I'm Russell and I'm a software engineer. My family got our first computer, an old Commodore 64, when I was in year 2, and I've been tinkering with computers ever since. I made sure that I studied maths and science at high school so that I could go on and study computer science at university. Since graduating from university, I've been working as a software engineer. The pay's great, I do an obscene amount of international travel, and when I'm not travelling, I get to work from home. And I'm a leader on an international software project that is used now on 7 different continents by 3 different space agencies, and last year was used to win a Pulitzer Prize. Life's great.
So what do you reckon? It's pretty cool, huh? Now, if you want to be an EMITS dude, then do what I did. Work hard at your maths and your science and apply when it's time. So there's a few things that you need to get ready for your application, but you can go online at www.como.wa.edu.au and click on the specialist programs. See you guys.